When this guy wanted to open the gift he got, he was suddenly attacked by something he didn't expect before. Have you ever heard a cat singing before? This video went viral when a cat stole the show. When this couple was dancing and recording, suddenly a cat got in their way, and stay there until the video ends. Subscribe if you like this cat. In this video, we learn that cats have boundaries. Look at this cat's expression when he is loved and kissed by his favorite human. If you love cat, please comment below here to let me know that I'm not the only one who loves them. Look at the expression on this cat's face when he sees a toy giraffe in front of his eyes. He said, "I don't love you anymore." As soon as this guy noticed that something was wrong with his cat, he immediately ordered it to come out. But the cat just looked at him with a blank expression, like, "What are you talking about? I'm fine." But this man then immediately used his technique to chase the cat out.
What's wrong?